This is GCSE Microscopy in 60 seconds. Get your onion, get a slice, peel a thin bit of membrane, put it on a slide. This is just so we can see it. You can also use methyl blue. Don't forget your cover slip. Don't push too hard. Place it on your microscope stage. Now let's have a look. If it's blurry, get it in focus. And that's GCSE Microscopy in just under a minute. You can also use a transparent ruler to measure the size of an onion cell. All you have to do is get the measuring lines in focus. Now this is the length of 1 millimeter. So 2 cells here measure 1 millimeter in length, so 1 cell must be 0.5 millimeter long. You can convert this into micrometers. So 1 millimeter is 1000 micrometers, so one of our onion cells here must be 500 micrometers in length.